Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so let's have some problems solved. Okay, so yung susubukan natin is itong 4.1 to 4.3. Okay, so this is the part 2. Okay, so mga examples ito ng paano mag-draw ng free body diagrams. Okay, so we might have several examples in this video. Okay, so madali lang to. Okay, so each of the bodies shown is homogeneous and has a mass of 30 kilograms. Assume all of contact forces. Draw the fully dimensioned free body diagram for each body and determine the number of unknowns. Okay? So um, yung hinahanap natin is, okay? We're trying to solve the fully dimensioned free body diagram and then the number of unknowns. Okay? Okay. So yan yung guhit natin. So meron ditong tatlong tanong, 4.1 to 4.3. Okay, subukan nating sagutin. Okay. Yung fully dimensioned free body diagram and number of unknowns. Okay. So start tayo kay 4.1. Okay? So tandaan nyo tong dawan to. Okay? So since ito ay, okay. So makikita nyo naman sa drawing. So pag gumawa ka ng free body diagram kasi class, yung unang gagawin mo is i-free mo to tanggalin mo yung mga supports and then i-replace mo ng forces. So ganito yung mangyayari. Itong kay B, since ruler to, obviously naman, so meron kang ganyan. So at meron 30 degrees. Okay? So meron kang isang reaction. And then dito naman obviously okay? So assume friction at all surface contacts dahil may friction dito. Okay? Okay, so kasi meron kasing friction. So dahil may friction to, obviously itong ruler na to, although ruler to siya dahil may friction, so there is an exemption kasi may friction siya, meron din siyang forces na perpendicular. Okay? So yung sinabi ko na kapag ruler isa lang yung reaction niya, actually it's not absolute truth all the time. Okay, so for ordinary conditions, unless otherwise stated, yung ruler, isa lang yung reaction niya, itong normal force. Pero kapag may friction, okay, so yan lang kapag may friction, lagyan mo ng merong reaction. Okay, so merong reaction dito. Okay, so merong reaction na parallel to the surface kapag, okay, so there is friction, kaya ganun. Okay, so kasi may friction at dito kasi may friction in all contact surface. So, meron ding dito. Okay? Kasi, okay. And then, meron din dito. Okay? So, merong perpendicular to the surface, merong parallel to the surface. So, therefore, yung number of unknowns niya, okay? So, meron kang 4 for number of unknowns. And then, syempre, maliban dyan, may homogeneous siya na mass na 30 kg. So, sa free body diagram mo, meron ka, mag-assume ka ng timbang. So, let us say, yung, hindi natin alam kung saan yung centroid. So, maybe, lagay ko dito. Okay? At, yan yung center of gravity. So, ibig sabihin, may 5 forces ka sa free body diagram mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, to make the drawing bigger, okay, so nag-drawing ako dito. So since yan, so meron kang, so dito, so sabihin, okay, so meron kang dalawang reactions dyan. Okay, so since this is may frictions yung surface, so dito meron ka ding dalawa. So let us say AX AY, and then let us say this is BN, short for normal force N. NB. Sabihin natin NB kasi normal force perpendicular sa surface, at itong isang reaction na to as FB. So ganyan yung kung mag-name ka, NB tsaka FB. So pwede mo rin i-name to as NB tsaka NA tsaka FA. Depende na yan sa iyo. Okay? So pwede mo ring gawing NA to tsaka FA. So depende yan sa iyo. Okay? So kapag horizontal and vertical siya, pwede mo tong i-name as AX and FX. So meron kang 4 unknowns. Saka hindi pa yung kompleto yung free body diagram mo. Okay? So lagyan mo ng center of gravity. Yung center of gravity mo is ay yung mass mo is nandun yung center of gravity mo. So kailangan mong lagyan ng weight. So ano yung weight? So assume lang natin na nandyan yung center of gravity. Hindi natin alam kung nasan yung center of gravity kasi kung rectangle lang to siya, nasa gitna dito. Pero since meron din dito, so posible supposed to be from this centroid nitong AB, is since meron ding area dito, so somewhere here. So yung timbang, timbang dito is, okay, so yung timbang is 30 kilograms. So 30 kilograms. So yung weight natin is 30 times 9.81, which is equivalent to 294.3 Newton. So yung mangyayari, yung W mo dito is 294.3 Newton. W equals yan. So yan yung magiging free body diagram natin. Okay, so pwede hindi mo nalagyan ng W. So meron kang 4 na unknowns. Saka ito yung FBD mo. Okay, so medyo magulo. Okay. 294.3 Newton. Yan. Yan yung free body diagram mo. Yan. So, yan yung free body diagram ng 4.1. Okay? So, sana naintindihan nyo kung paano i-guhit yung free body diagram. So, ito yung free body diagram. Okay? So, never mind this and never mind this computation. So, yan. 4 unknowns and then Yan yung free body diagram. And then yun yung computation ng W. Okay. So, let's proceed. So, isa tayong example. Okay. So, ito. Okay. Yan. So, assume pa rin tayo ng so pwede nating iguhit dito. Okay. So, meron kang mass na 30 kilograms. So, meron kang force dyan na 294.3 Newton. Kasi nag-a-act siya sa, nag-a-act siya sa center of gravity. So, since circle to, yung weight niya is nandito, 294.3 Newton. Kasi 30 kilograms times 9.81 para maging Newton. Yan, no? Yan yung gagawin mo para maging Newton siya. Yan. Then, yung cable, syempre ito yung body mo. So, yung reaction niya is away from the body. Yan. Meron kang i-replace mo si cable ng force na palayo mula kay body. So, let us say, meron kang tension dyan. So, meron kang T dyan. And then, since this is, meron tayong friction at all contact surface. So, ito, meron kang since B to, so NB, tsaka FB. So, therefore, ito yung free body diagram mo. Okay? So, this is already a free body diagram. So, you have three unknowns. Okay? So, meron kang 3 unknowns. At ito na yung free body diagram mo. Okay? So, hindi na natin isulat doon sa board. So, this is accepted as a free body diagram. Meron kang W na 294.3, tension force, normal force at B, and friction force at B. Kasi may friction at all surfaces. So, this is your free body diagram for 4.2. Okay? So, screenshot nyo na lang. Okay? So, this is the free body diagram and then 3 unknowns. So, okay. So, let's proceed to our third example. And maybe our last example. Okay. So, nang sa ganon is, in all the other problems, you can comprehend your own. Okay. So, kapag masyadong maraming examples, and then, medyo nullify na yung you will nullify yourselves in solving some problems independently. Okay, so one thing you should held in mind na kailangan nyo ring mag-solve independently in order na mahasa yung skills nyo. Okay, at mahasa yung knowledge na nalaman nyo. Okay, this is the free body diagram and a number of unknowns. Okay. So, erase natin. Okay, so dito tayo. Yan. Ito yung relatively pinakamahirap sa tatlo na example. Pero madali pa rin. Okay, so lakihan natin. Okay, so maybe dagdagan natin ng isa. Buena mano. Gawin nating 4 na examples. Okay. So mamaya na yung isa. So this is figure 4.3. Okay. So yung gawin mo, kung gagawa ka ng free body diagram, tanggalin mo yung nasa ibabaw, then lagyan mo ng forces. But somehow, pwede na to. Okay. So since may weight din tayo, okay, unahin natin yung weight para hindi natin malimutan. Which is equivalent to 30 kilograms times, okay, weight is 30 kilograms weight is 30 kilograms times 9.81. So, meron kang 294.3 Newton. So, dyan. Yan yung weight niya. Okay? Just kasi isa lang yung given natin na question. Weight is 30 kilogram. Then, meron din tayong tension force dyan. And then, since meron tayong contact force, may friction yung at contact places. So, bukod sa meron kang normal force since nasa A, so NA, and then meron kang friction force which is FA. Yan. So, this is already your free body diagram. And the unknowns, you have 3 unknowns. Okay? So, madali lang. So, 3 unknowns. Then, ito yung free body diagram mo. Okay? So, screenshot nyo na lang din. Okay? So, since video naman ito, pwede nyong balik-balikan yung parts ng video na hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan. Okay? So, you can replay anytime. So, that's why we have a recorded lecture. Okay. So, maybe we'll add at least one more example. Okay. So, para tuloy-tuloy yung tuloy-tuloy yung knowledge. Tuloy-tuloy yung learning pala. Okay, so yan yung free body diagram. So this is already your FBD. Yan. And then we already on the unknowns, number of unknowns. Okay, so yan yun. Okay, so maybe let's proceed to another example. Okay, so dito tayo sa marami. So maybe lakbayan muna natin yan. And then dito tayo. Okay, so kasi may frictionless din eh. Okay. So this is okay, basahin muna natin yung problem. Okay? So the homogeneous triangular plate has a mass of 12 kilograms. Draw the FBD or the free body diagram of plate for its support shown in A to D and determine the number of unknowns. Okay? So yan, hindi na sinabi kung frictionless ba o hindi yung surface. Okay. So dalawa lang yan. Okay. So so unahin natin tong okay, so yan. So meron kang mass of 12 kilograms. Yan. And then so therefore meron kang weight dyan. Yan. Yung weight mo is 12 times 9.81. So, ano ba yung ang sagot? Okay. So, so 117.72 Newton. Yan. So, bukod sa meron kang weight, kasi, okay, so, then, wala natin yung support reaction. So, dito, since frictionless to, so meron kang NB lang. Yan lang yung reaction mo kasi frictionless. And then, since spin to, dalawa. Okay, so dalawa yung reaction mo. So, meron kang, so, ano to? A to, so, yung reaction mo is, ano ba yan? So, your reaction will be, AY, saka AX, kasi, bakit ganito? So, AY, AX kasi hindi siya surface reaction. Ano siya? Okay? So, pwede mo ring, okay? So, meron kang AY tsaka AX. Pinned kasi to, pinned. So, this is pinned. Kaya, okay. So, based on the drawing, ilan yung reactions mo? 3. 2 kasi pinned. Dito, isa kasi frictionless. So, kaya we have 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 reactions. So, yan. 3 reaction yan. And then, 3 reactions. And then, this could be your free body diagram. So, ito na yung free body diagram mo. Tanggalin mo lang yun sa drawing mo. Kapag nagsulat kayo sa papel, tanggalin mo lang yung pinned tsaka yung yung frictionless surface dyan. I-replace mo siya ng forces. Kaya pwede na yung pwede na tong maging free body diagram. So, syempre, dapat meron kang weight and kapag, okay, so, meron kang, lagyan mo ng weight kapag given. Okay, so kapag walang given, just sinabi neglect the weight, so hindi mo isama sa drawing yung weight. So since meron siya, so isama mo siya and then include the support and surface reaction. So this is a support reaction, this is a surface reaction kasi nasa surface siya. Okay, support or surface reaction. So this is the free body diagram for 4.6a. Okay, so marami pala to. So, 3 reaction. So, tandaan nyo yan. Okay. So, lipat tayo. Yan. So, again, 12 kilograms pa rin. So, meron ka pa ring weight. Unahin natin yung weight para madali. Which is equivalent to 12 times 9.81. So, 12 times 9.81 is 117.72. Okay, kung hindi ako nagkamali, Newton. So, this, may friction to, then may friction sa to. So, meron kang, okay, so, meron kang force dito, meron ka ding force dito. Sabihin natin, nasa B tayo. So, NB, FB. Yan. Pwede rin ganyan yung pagka-present mo ng force. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Basta may arrow lang. It's understandable. And then, meron ka dito, friction. So, since ito yung, ito yung surface mo. So, meron ka ding normal, perpendicular dyan. So, you have NA. Tsaka, since medyo bababa siya dito, okay, yung friction mo ha. So, paano mo malaman yung direction ng friction? So, imaginein mo. Kung pag gumalaw to, bababa siya doon. So, kaya yung F-beam, yung friction force mo, it is always against the action. So, kapag nag-move siya pa doon, yung FB mo is against it. Kumbaga, it will move that way, but the friction force will move the opposite way. So, yan. Dito, kapag nag-move to, pababa, so yung friction force mo is pataas. So, FA, FB. So, this is your free body diagram already. So, we have 4 reactions. Okay? So, we have 4 reactions. So, that is your free body diagram. And then the number of reactions for your B. Okay? So, tuloy-tuloy na natin siguro, class. So, damihan natin yung examples. Nang sa ganun is mas maintindihan natin. So, yan yung B. So, we have, so, A to D man to. So, meron pang dalawa. Last na dalawa. Okay. Alright. So, ito. So, ano to? Ruler. Hindi sinabi kung may friction ba o wala. Okay? So, lakihan natin. Zoom to 250. Kasi, okay, so wag nating kalimutan may weight tayo na 117.72 Newton. Yan. Kasama yan sa free body diagram. Tapos dapat nakababa siya. Vertically downward. Okay? So, pasensya nyo na kung hindi perfect na 90 pababa yung drawing ng arrow ko. Then, pin to, obviously. So, meron kang dalawang reaction. So, meron kang, sabihin natin, BY, saka BX. Okay. So, meron bang assumption na ano? Okay, so, sorry. Nagalaw ko. Okay, so, balik natin. So, ganyan. Okay, so, mas correct kung dito natin ilagay yung arrow natin. Okay, so, nandyan yung center of gravity. Kasi, dapat yung centroid ng triangle is nasa B/3 at H/3. Okay, hindi to kasama sa free body diagram, pero it's just a trivia. So, this is H/3 and then B/3 dyan. Dyan yung place ng centroid ng triangle. Okay. So, yan. So, dito, kasi ruler, hindi sinabi kung may friction ba. So, lagay mo ng unknown dyan. So, meron kang N, A. Okay. So, ilang unknowns ba meron? Okay. So, this, depending on your perspective, dito tatlo. 3 reactions or 3 unknowns. Okay? Okay. So, paano ba sabihin kung 3 or 4 unknowns? Okay, so, merong, merong tanong, okay. So, posible kasi na, since patagilid itong ruler, itong NA mo, pwede mong i-break down into components. Pwede mong gawing, siya, AY, tsaka AX. Okay. So, depending on the ambiguity of the question, this answer can be 3 unknowns or 4 unknowns. Okay? So, just a trivia lang. So, dito, kapag ganito yung drawing mo, 3 unknowns. Pero, instead na gamitin mo is NA, gawin mong AX tsaka 8Y, magiging 4 unknowns siya. Okay? So, pwede siyang 3 unknowns, pwede din siyang 4 unknowns. Depende sa free body diagram na gagamitin mo. Baka meron sa inyo i-breakdown tong si NA, gawin yung AX tsaka AY instead. So, pwede siyang 4 unknowns, pwede rin siyang 3 unknowns. But for the sake of simplicity, pwedeng gawin mo na lang siyang 3 unknowns. Okay? So, may mga pagkakataon na ambiguous yung question or na depending on how you draw, you may have an answer of 3 unknowns or 4 unknowns. If you break down this NA into components, it will have 4 unknowns. But if you take it as it is, na meron siyang isang reaction na perpendicular to the surface, so 3 reactions lang siya. So yan yung free body diagram mo, at ito yung number of unknowns, 3. Or if you do it the other way around, i-breakdown mo to magiging 4. Okay, so depende yan. So that's how we solve. Okay. Yan. So last number, we have this. So, nakahang na tong yung kabila. Okay. So, meron kang weight pa rin na 117.72. Meron kang tension. Then, since may friction to, dalawa yung reaction mo. Meron kang N, saka meron kang FO. Diyan, okay? So, isang reaction lang. So, you have 3 reactions here or 3 unknowns. Okay. So this is your free body diagram and this is the number of your reactions and unknowns. Okay? So sana naintindihan nyo. Tension kasi cable. Then dalawang reaction kasi may friction. Okay? So tandaan nyo to. Kapag may friction, meron siyang parallel, meron kang F. Pag may friction na, meron kang parallel force. Okay? So sana naintindihan nyo yung lesson natin. And then, dyan muna tayo sa video na to.